If you're running into the too many avatars issue in VRchat, first, go into VRchat and open the Settings menu. Head to the Performance Options section. You'll want to make a few changes here. Turn on avatar clipping or culling, which hides avatars that are far away. Then lower the maximum avatars visible. Setting it to 10 or less usually helps a lot. Also turn on performance filtering to automatically block avatars that don't meet performance standards. Lastly, reduce the avatar download limit to something like 100 megabytes. This limits how large each avatar can be, which takes a big load off your system. Next, use VRchat shields and safety settings. Press Escape, then click on the shield icon to open safety settings. Use the shields to hide avatars from people you don't know or trust. If you're in a room and someone's avatar is lagging you out, you can also go into the social menu and block their avatar manually. This is especially useful in big public worlds with lots of unoptimized avatars. Finally, try clearing your VRchat cache. On Windows, press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Type in what you see on the screen right now. Then press Enter. In that folder, delete the cache and avatars folders. If you're on a Quest 2, go to Settings, then Apps, find VRchat, and tap Clear Data. This helps get rid of old, corrupted, or bloated avatar data that could be overloading your device. After doing all this, restart VRchat and you should notice a big improvement.